kajila kurat sangma negasngi habai kren bat kinong tho khubor halor kaluk tayuk wala pensyai pajba da ka baong ba ka jingtung bujli ya ka ofisa ke badon ha ka kam kadai ka balale katkum ki kandon kamegalia luk tayuk bat ulaong ba ulong balakloi benya kendu lani benya kren halor kane kamat bat kino kiseng san perthei ba kinya syai bha halor kane ulaong ru ba naduk basdang haba thung yu director of inquiry amsum labur ranti yaki kendon kabamut bala shule tang ban penbet tang na kabanta shipor knang ban yo sedang no yak jingtrai kam jong ka mekhalaya lok ayuk khamtam nomar khamduna ki officer ibadon ha ka kerdan secretary sheneng kumta ulong ba kum ka jing penbet ka shipor lale yakni ha ka bal pen kre al paru ban thung bet daki officer ki badon ha ka kerdan secretary sheneng bat kala shimpor shisnem banyo ya ki officer ki bakiu sha ka kerdan secretary ula benrabru da ka baong ba la da thung da ki officer ki badang don ha ka kam kawe ka benta ka long ba ka jing siuru kam don namar ki dai ki bala don ha ka kam rela da thung da ki officer ki bala shongthan ka sorkar ka haban mang pisa kerpang bat hapen lut na ka benta jungki ban siu ya ku tulop ka jungki habakali lor ka jing ya kendu bat ka seng san perthei vpp Menteri rang ba ulong bala kloi benya kendu banya keren halor kani la kadai bat kino keseng san perthei
Just many times. The provisions under which the person earlier, the director of inquiries was appointed, the rules were not followed. In the sense that it was a temporary arrangement because we needed to immediately start the work. We had, in the sense, some shortage of officials working because it has to be an officer of a secretary level and above. And hence, we had a bit of an issue in the sense we had a shortage of officers. So we decided at that point in time that we will, as a temporary arrangement, go for a retired officer, which is not as per the rules. And hence, to rectify that and to make it regularize that, we have followed the rules which says that it has to be an officer of the rank of a secretary. Number 2 point is that when we appoint a person who is retired, then government takes additional expenditure. If it's a serving officer, there is no expenditure because he or she gets a salary. But an additional retired person means we have to spend from our own side. And hence, it was in the interest of the rules to be followed and in the interest of the expenditure for the state that this post be regularized. We were working on it to regularize it very much before this, but then later on, it took us about a year and a half almost, but we have regularized the process. So this is purely as per the rules and procedures that need to be followed.
Will you meet the political party?
See, we are very open. Whoever is there, if anybody wants to meet, they can come and meet.
Kindly update us on the border talks, sir. Border talks.
I had a meeting yesterday with Mr. Syrwa in Guwahati. We sat down, we discussed. It was a very unofficial meeting. We had breakfast together. There was nothing much in detail on any official discussion. But we had a very long chit chat about many issues, including the border aspect. Of course, there were many activities going on in the past few weeks and months, so hence we could not make much visits this side. So we are working on it. In about a week's time, I will let you know that what will be the next level of talks and meets we'll have, and maybe even physical visits that we make.